This is good.
So it's from 1 to 5?
So you look like I work on a super crazy.
Red lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like liquid sweet tea. Who wants to drive through shit without you? That we break lines, red lights, hold hands, grip tight, play fights, your lips still taste like liquid sweet tea.
여러분, 굿모닝. 오늘은 9월 3일? 4일? I think? I don't remember. 4일. 9월 4일. 일요일이고요. 아침 9시가 조금 넘었습니다. 제가 지금 아침부터 왜 이렇게 분주하게 메이크업을 하고 있냐. 오늘은 제 친구들이랑 같이 산타바바라에 가서 맥주 투어 같은 거를 하는 날이거든요. 술을 좋아하는 저에게는 아주 꿀 같은 날이죠. 그래서 오늘 맥주도 마시러 갈 거고, 그리고 같이 나중에 친구들이랑 바닷가도 갈 거예요. 그래서 오늘 이렇게 비키니도 입고 아주 I'm ready for today. 쿠션을 가방에 넣고 왔다. 오늘 막 액티비티를 되게 많이 할 거기 때문에 I don't think I should put a lot of foundation on because there's also a heat wave. 그래서 화장이 무너지면은 좀 그렇잖아요. 그래서 파운데이션은 조금만, just enough to like color correct, I think. 제가 요즘 여러분 이거 비싸지만 라메르 쿠션 파운데이션을 제가 쓰고 있거든요. 제가 화장을 별로 많이 하는 편이 아니라서 I feel like I could justify spending that amount. 제가 유튜브님 영상을 보고 영업을 당했거든요. 그래가지고 사봤는데 진짜 좋더라고요. 뭔가 파운데이션이 아닌 스킨케어를 하는 느낌이랄까? 진짜 짱 좋더라고요. 보이시죠? 이 광. 정말 속부터 나오는 광이라 그래야 되나? 오늘 한 9시 40분쯤에 친구가 저를 픽업하러 오기로 했거든요. 파우더는 이거 라메르 거. 라메르래. 로라 메르시의 거. 그냥 대충 이렇게 광을 죽이기는 싫은데 오늘 더울 거라 그래서 파우더 처리를 좀 해줘야 될 것 같아요. LA에서 산타바바라까지 I think they said it was like 80-90 miles. 그래서 긴 대장정이 될 것 같은데 적어도 제가 운전을 하지는 않으니까 정 피곤하면은 친구 차에서 자면 되겠죠? 눈썹 할 때는 말을 못하겠어. 아이 메이크업을 이제 조금 해볼까? 제가 어제 세포라에 가가지고 블러셔를 그 클리니크 치크팝을 하나 산 게 있거든요. 그거를 아이랑 블러셔로 해가지고 톤온톤으로 좀 해볼까 한데 여러분 세포라에 가면은 왜 이렇게 돈을 많이 쓰게 될까요? 제가 어제 딱 가가지고 이거 치크팝이랑 그리고 립밤 그리고 바디로션 이렇게 3개 샀거든요. 근데 85불이 나왔어. Maybe I just have like really expensive taste. Anyway, 이거 클리니크 누드팝이에요. 이거를 볼에도 바르고 눈에도 발라보도록 하겠습니다. 제가 누디한 거 되게 좋아하거든요. 그래서 발라봤는데 손등에 너무 이쁘더라고. 그래서 살 수밖에 없었어. 어제 진짜 영업당했어. 아이 메이크업은 진하게 안 할 거니까 블러셔를 좀 이렇게 많이 해줘도 괜찮을 것 같아. 색깔 근데 너무 이쁘다. 대박. 그리고 같은 블러셔를 아이에도 해줄게요. Hey Google, what time is it?
9:21 a.m.
Oh my god, you are so loud. Okay. 자, 20분 남았다. I think this is fine. 여러분, 제가 요즘 속눈썹 펌을 봤거든요. It's like one of the best things I've spent on myself. 그리고 속눈썹 펌하면서 세럼도 바르기 시작했거든요. 그랬더니 진짜 뷰러도 안 해도 돼. 세럼 발랐으니까 속눈썹이 길어져가지고 펌하니까 너무 이뻐. 어쨌든 여러분, 저 크래프트 비어 같은 거 진짜 좋아하거든요. 옛날에는 그냥 뭐 헤페바이즌 이런 거 되게 좋아했었는데 요즘 들어서 헤이지 IPA하고 그리고 sour ale? I love sour ale. It's so good. I think this is good enough. 립은 뭘 하는 게 좋을까? 제가 이거 페리페라 글로이 틴트를 좋아하긴 하는데 I feel like it might be like too strong on my lips, especially because my makeup is so natural. So I think I might wear just like a lip balm that I bought from Sephora yesterday. I think this is good. Alright. 저는 이제 친구 기다리도록 할게요. 좀 이따 봐. Roll down your window. Hello.
Dude, I wish I could have come. You guys sound like you're gonna have so much fun.
Do you want any beer?
Yeah, we can
Oh
grab you
yeah,
something.
if you grab me beer, that's good.
What do you like?
I like.
He likes stouts.
Stouts.
Bourbon barrel
IPAs.
aged stouts?
Really good, nice, like unique stouts are cool. Okay, see you guys
I'll
later.
fix it later.
Bye.
Hello.
Oh, I love your bag. That's
Thank
such a cute
you. Thank you.
Cute.
Oh, here you go. If you wanna like fuck
Hold on.
around with
Wait,
it.
Hold on, let me give you your copy too.
Yay,
It's kind of
thank you.
separated, but I'm sure if you swirl it, everything will come back together.
Yay! Oh wow.
It really separated. I can't tell you why.
Thank you. She brought coffee. Oh, Andrea, I don't know if you want to hold on to the camera the whole day, but these are some backup batteries.
Okay. Yeah, sure thing. I can put it in my little food.
I can't believe we're going.
I know.
Nick and Angie are mom and dad today.
Apparently.
Diane and Eugene have been replaced.
Everybody
I know.
pee before we left, right? We're not stopping.
Shit, Dad, I already have to go pee.
How much longer? Are we there yet?
I'm gonna turn up the baseball game. Pretend I can't hear you.
Dad, I'm hungry. Did we bring any snacks?
Gosh. Wait, we actually did.
I want fruit roll-ups.
We probably should have brought snacks, but that's okay. It's only
Okay.
it's only like.
We're at McDonald's to eat before we go, and this is the most chaotic McDonald's I've ever been to in my life.
There were termites in the bathroom. Lots of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then, yeah,
Gotta not think about it.
so gross. Wait, I can grab one. Here.
Grab your drink.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
We're good. Let's go.
Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad.
Got you, kiddo.
McDonald's.
You should update her.
Happy Meal.
I will in a bit. Here you go.
We had to get a kids meal
Oh,
because Nicole wants
You better.
the Pokemon cards.
you ready?
You're gonna do the slow reveal.
Wait. Let me give my phone.
Unboxing.
Hang on.
Unboxing.
Food time.
Can you give me one of the hot mustards?
Yum.
Soy sauce?
Okay.
It's the mustard that's like that. Right? Mustard that's
Okay, well, let's just stick with this one. 'Cause I don't
It's so shit. It's so good. Have you guys ever dipped your fries in milkshake
Oh,
before?
hell yeah. That was like our college, like freshman year
God,
experience.
so good. Dude, fries and milkshake is underrated. You don't like it? Why?
It's like a sweet salty thing.
Mm-hmm.
probably.
Oh my god, it is so
Oh boy.
Oh!
This here.
To the evening, it'll actually get quite pleasant.
Good.
It's so hot.
At least we'll be indoors.
Where there's no AC.
Hell yeah.
When you are all out of words, what is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are a curse. Someone showed the way. Because I might need someone to help me sleep at night.
Can I do a flight?
When you are all out of words, what is there to say? Fumbling in and out was a thing, but now I'll have to live without. Fumbling back and forth, and I wanna go back on what I said.
Oh, this is very Calypso. The straight. Yeah. Let me know what you think compared to the cucumber one.
How are y'all feeling about the beach and just kind of
I want it.
it's too I feel like it's too hot. This is when I
Isn't
said
this-
heat wave I meant 98 degrees.
But isn't this like the perfect time to go to the beach?
I'm not going in the water.
Why not? Wait, why are you scared of the water?
I'm not scared.
Why?
Do anything new. It's like about being yeah. I gotta be in it.
Oh,
Although the
interesting.
game some not
This is the sage one.
oh sorry.
It's interesting.
This is
Smells
it.
very
Does it
sagey.
scare me? That's it. I want
Tastes very sagey.
Ooh, this is scary. This is freaking me out. Nicole, this is freaking me out. This is
This cucumber one is so good, but it's like
So those shelves you don't want to get.
different. I don't know how to. I don't know if I like it or not.
Back and forth, and I wanna go back on what I said.
I got to the point where I was like, I got to where I wanted to do it, and I did it. And then I don't really know to get back.
I actually don't know how to play this game.
you're
Is it like is it like curling, basically?
No, I mean it is, but is it? Is that how curling works? Like similar-ish?
Is it like
Curling's
cornhole but sliding version?
I think that's being a little too reductive. A little, slightly reductive on that one, yeah. No, curling's good. Curling's a circle, like a target.
Yeah.
But same principle.
So it's like football, but there's 3 touchdowns.
Yeah. Yeah, that makes
It's
sense.
like a
Yeah. So that's like, is that a touchdown?
It's like baseball, except every rule is different.
Is that a hole in one or
I mean, you can play.
home run?
Want a sled shot?
Whoa.
Good.
Oh.
Good.
Let's go. Okay, here we go.
Try it.
Oh. Dude. Oh. Yo. Okay. Where are we going?
We're gonna go to third window.
Have the burgers. We're gonna have the burgers.
Apparently, yeah. Have a good one.
Thank you. All right, Nicole. Verdict. Verdict on your beers.
Pretty good. I
I've had better sours, but I'm also spoiled on my hometown sours.
Is Michigan known for their sours?
Ann Arbor has a brewery that is like voted as like top 10 sour breweries or something.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Wow. So I'm a little spoiled, perhaps.
Yeah, it was good. Their hazy IPA is actually
pretty
bomb. Dude, this view on the camera looks so pretty.
It's beautiful.
Okay, second brewery. What is this called again? I forget. Third window. Oh, it's so pretty. I wish I could pull off hats like that.
You can.
I can't. I've tried.
You definitely can. Watch. I know, I ran into it.
Ah, okay. I look like I work on a farm.
It's cute.
Oh, it's because I have a clip in my hair. I guess so. You look cuter.
I think it goes nicely.
Oh, yeah. Dude, that view outside is beautiful.
How's it going?
Hi.
Headed for
I'll do the flight as well.
Oh, yeah.
I'll do the port barrel aged saison,
Got
the
it.
summer saison, saison forte, walkabout stout, and the spontaneous blend.
Gotcha.
And then can I also do the peanut butter and jelly smashed burger?
Gotcha. All right, $27.19 for you. You want to keep the time or close it down?
Close it, please.
Down, you got it.
Alright.
Which one did you say was a lot? Spontaneous?
Spontaneous one.
Can I try the number 2 and the number 4?
Super crazy.
Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah.
That is a lot.
It's a lot.
I like it.
I like it.
It's not awful. It's
not
just
bad.
interesting.
It's like a, right? It's like different. Sorry, I have a whole last camera just in my.
Behind the scenes shot.
I didn't know what to get you, so I just got it. Which one is this? The blonde?
Are y'all on the vlog? I was gonna ask
you
can I
wanna be
ask
on
a
it?
question during the vlog? Is that okay?
Yeah, I'll
Okay.
just edit it out.
Can Rachel try the orange one?
Yeah. This one, right?
I feel like
That
she
was gonna
might
be
be
like
okay
an
with
offensive
I
question
know. I
or
was like,
something.
oh, if it was offensive, I would absolutely put it in the
Just so
vlog.
now,
PB&J burger. Where is it? Okay, I see the peanut butter in here.
Ooh. Okay, interesting.
Where's the J?
Yes.
I think it's this.
Oh, the J is. Oh, it's there.
Hey.
All right, let's try
I'm
this.
so excited to listen to Bounce in the car. After we finish this flight of beer.
Dude, PB&J on a burger is so underrated.
It's got me,
Like,
sorry.
no. This is fire.
Good, right?
I'd be down, but I don't like peanut butter. I've never liked peanut butter.
I don't normally like peanut butter either, but on burgers, I can't get it
You
out.
know that island question? Like one food, take it to an island? I would
Is yours
pick
peanut butter?
Peanut butter and bread.
Wow.
What the fuck? Fuck you, dude.
Because I never get tired of it. I can get tired of a lot of other things, but
What would your answer be?
Burgers.
you wouldn't get tired? Burgers are like one of my favorite foods, but I would get tired.
Yeah, I think mine will be kimchi fried rice.
Kimchi fried rice is a good choice.
And I'll get my protein from the ocean.
Do you want me to do it? Wait, you're not getting
No, you gotta.
She goes 3.
You literally have to.
Like
She
stab.
goes 3 years old.
I don't have
It's okay, I'm 5 because I got Pokemon cards.
That's true. I had to get a Happy Meal just so she could get her Pokemon cards.
It hurts. Okay, let's go get drunk some more.
Drunkenness.
More drunkenness.
Yes. Are we walking?
No.
I'm feeling good.
We're driving.
Feeling good?
Yeah. I think a couple more breweries and I'll be lit. Third brewery name
It's topa topa.
Topa topa.
Yeah.
Hi, do you guys do flights? You do? Okay. 4 of them? Okay. I'll do the Spectro, the hard seltzer, the Novo, and the Weekender.
The wood sometimes sticks to the wood because it's like the finish on it.
Oh, good. Thank you. Yeah, enjoy. Cheers.
Dude, the yuzu seltzer, bomb.
Is it?
Yeah. Like, stick it in the
I
bag.
don't want to use the product in my hair,
Okay.
but yeah, normally,
Bobby pin.
Ooh.
maybe.
Wait, do you want to try the seltzer?
It's really good. That is like, it reminds me of that lemon candy.
Yeah.
Lemon head.
Yeah.
Yeah, it reminds me of that.
What's up? What's good? It's your boy Hugs. Ha, Welcome to the vlog, LA. Let's go. It's your boy Hugs and Suki.
Out here.
We out here. We out here in SB. The coast.
Get out.
Favorite beer so far?
Of everything I've had today,
Oh,
probably
yeah.
the Saisons over at Third Window.
Hold on, what are we doing?
We are going to the beach.
We are going to the beach?
Yeah, because it's cool now.
Not according to Frau Newell, right?
Yeah, Suki, do you want to package for us?
Yeah.
All right.
When you are all out of words, what is there to say?
저희 여러분 지금 텐트 치고 있어요.
It's getting hot on.
저희가 저녁이 지금 7시 45분에 있거든요. 그래서 그때까지는 여기 텐트 밑에 누워가지고 바다를 좀 즐기려고 합니다. 지금 추울까? 오늘 낮에 엄청 더워가지고 어떨지 모르겠는데 좀 들어가고 싶긴 한데 I was sweating so hard earlier, so. Espera.
Get it in, on the ground.
Wait, no feet, because
You gotta pay for it.
yeah, you gotta pay for the feet. Now lay down. Oh, sorry.
You can use my leg.
I'm not gonna lie, the hat kind of looks good on you, dude.
I can't see it. I can't. My hat is blocking. No, it doesn't. It absolutely doesn't.
When you are falling at first, what is there to say? Feeling like my dreams are the worst. Someone show the way. Because I might need someone to tuck me in at night.
and chauffeur.
Thank you, Nick.
The MVP of the day.
Did you get a?
Actually, MVP though.
Yeah.
What's our dinner place called?
Black sheep. The black sheep?
Looking at Yelp reviews. I know, same.
You guys catch what we were saying? They're closing. This is their last day they're open.
Yeah.
Wait, this is the last day that they're open?
Yeah, like actually the final day. Oh, Asian fusion. Love it.
looks really
My
good,
people's
dude.
food. This looks so good. Oh yeah, I'm sleepy.
No,
Yeah.
I'm getting hit with the sleepy so hard.
Guys, we can nap on the car right back.
Oh, but then who's gonna keep you awake?
There's music.
God.
Also God.
Say God.
Yeah, if he doesn't, it was meant to be.
That's true, yeah. There are worse ways to go.
Yeah.
Right here. Thank you. Sure.
So I can explain the cheeses, starting from left to right. We have a truffle cheese, followed by a smoked goat cheese.
Okay. I will return this to you so we can all consume food.
Are these nuts?
Yeah, this, I think either almond or pistachio. You can decide that.
The mushrooms on the gnocchi are really good.
I'm gonna get some of them first and then I'll
Wow. That gnocchi is incredible. It's really good. Treating myself with New York steak.
Yeah.
I got that looks so healthy.
That
smells
does
really
look
good.
healthy.
It smells
Yeah, it
Should have not
smells
been
really good.
I
Yeah.
guess not.
Ice cream? Gosh.
Oh, plates and stuff? Or
Yeah.
booze?
Good.
Ingredients I'll probably just give them like
Is it 55?
Pretty good. I don't know if it's worth the 55, but it's good.
I feel like we got last day everything.
feel it.
Yeah.
I apologize.
No, no way.
You wouldn't have known.
Even as we have to
No shot.
That's a great reason to stay.
Can't believe it on your man. And this new song is so jam. Green white and PJ. Got me speeding down the freeway to come see you, come see you. Got me like, sheesh. Ay, can't believe that you with me. You got me balling on my knees.
Can I do the Eureka Lemon and Marionberry in a cup?
And also, I didn't want to be performative for you.
Thank you. Lemon and Marionberry?
Go up and do
One way.
I mean, okay. I'm coming back to this later.
Okay.
Oh, this is so good.
Which one did you get?
Lemon Marionberry.
Eureka lemon.
Yeah. Wanna try it?
Yeah.
Chill out.
I ain't tripping, I'm just trying to make this cash flow. You smoking like tobacco. Put your phone down, we on D&D. I'm on late flights till the check-in. We just showing you mercy. Drama for the soul. Check out the one that needs some more.
That was delicious. 아이스크림 먹고 지금 이제 잠깐 집에 가기 전에 산책을 하려고 해요. The lights are so pretty. I love it. Wow. 진짜 이쁘다. 그쵸? Dude, why can't my hair look like this every day? It's like a very, you know, just through beach waves or I wish I could. I wish my hair looked like this every day. It's like low effort, but looks textured. Maybe I should just get like texture spray, and that might help. Get fun. Yeah. Dude, we look so tired on the screen. We're probably gonna pass out in the car.
How Angie still has energy.
It's the young people thing. Wait, are you
the same age as her?
Yeah, I don't know. I have no excuse for you, man. No, shut up. Shut up. Don't you fucking say that. 여러분, 저희는 이제 집으로 가겠습니다. 오늘도 영상 봐주셔서 감사드리고요. 저희는 다음에 뵐게요. 안녕.